Nag-register ka? Sa...
Pataw sa probinsya.
Ang naglaban daw po, Davao, tsaka, ano ba yun? Manila. Hindi ko lang sure kung sino. Hindi nila in-announce, no? Dati nun, in-email nila eh.
Pero natapos nyo?
Natapos naman po. Pumasok ang Estancia daw po sa semifinals eh. Sayang. Tapos noon, dalawa na lang.
Tawa ko na sa ano, discover.
Andun ka po. Sumali ka din.
Nagugumay na ka po
Oo nga. Ito yung mga gamit ko pang glucose test. Blood lancet, may strip. Tada! Registration ng name. Yan. Wala, kunti na lang yung cotton balls to. Alcohol. May nagugustuhan ako na shades. 595 pesos. Kaya lang. Ayoko. Kinokontrol ko yung sarili ko kasi maganda talaga siya. Color pink na shades from Sunny Studios. Ayan o. Nandun yung nagustuhan ko. Ito. Tada! Gusto ko siya. Kaya lang 595. Tatanong ko kung accepting card sila. Kasi kung accepting, bili ko siya. Pero kung hindi, ayaw ko na lang. So, yan. Nandito ako ngayon sa event. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, alam niyo naman ako, diba, pag nag-event, gusto kong binablog din. Sayang yung momentum, sayang yung moments. So, usually, ang ginagawa ko dito maghapon is blood sugar test. Tada! Blood sugar test. So, ayan, kailangan mag-gloves ka, and then dapat meron ka, of course, glucometer, and strips. Ay, ako. Ito yung mga strips, glucose strips, yan, lancet, tapos meron ng gloves, syempre, alcohol, tapos tissue, and may mga pamphlets, mga brochures. So, ayan, ongoing yung kanilang program, cancer awareness talk. Ayan. Kanina, it's all about OB yung topic nila. So, ngayon naman, cancer awareness. It's all about cancer awareness. Then, ito, bibili sila dyan ng shades yung iba.
So it's more, it's not really the recommended is actually 4 because we have people and for colors. But if you have high distribution, 4 is better than colors. But if your lifestyle is already then it's a choice that you can make. Because you don't need to there's already high risk because of the apart from the so 30 is actually acceptable, but we recommend this for imitation. So, parang, so you can go to your family member and then request for probably a schedule.
We have pharma, the generica, St. Joseph Drug. From the provider side, we have the whole facilities of Healthway. We have 16 multi-specialty centers right now and 6 hospitals as of today nationwide. and of course the digital platform Consulta MD, offering teleconsultations. No? Okay, so I would like to focus today and to focus more on the care card. No? This is our prepaid or retail card that is available or you can purchase anywhere, any Healthway medical facilities here in the Philippines. No? We have different multi-specialty centers and hospitals, including NPU and Arena. So this care card is priced at 999 pesos and is valid for 1 year. No? I believe part of SGB, as an employee of SGB, we provide or we have, so we consider value for money. No? This care card price at 999 pesos, valid for 1 year. Later I'll show you what are the inclusions and perks of this care card 999. Okay? So, part of the care card, it includes unlimited consultation to our primary care physicians. So, PCP consults, it's unlimited to any of our Healthway facilities. That includes all clinics, 16 clinics, 6 hospitals nationwide, and unlimited voice consultations also with Consulta MD. So during the pandemic, I believe some of you consulted your doctor via call, via voice call, or via app. No? So it's also unlimited. So how much is the average consult as of today, if you pay in cash or if you use your HMO? It's around 500 pesos, 600 pesos, no? So you just add a couple of hundreds, you can now purchase our care card price at 999. Additional perks and benefit of our care card are discounts. So we're offering 15% outpatient laboratory and diagnostic tests, discounts on laboratories, a 5% discount on generic medicines through any Healthway pharmacy and any generic pharmacies nationwide. So we have over 750 branches of Generica nationwide, so you can avail of your discounts there. 50% discount on ER room fees, 20% discount on room and board fees to any of our Healthway Medical Network hospitals. So the care card also includes personal accident insurance of up to 50,000 pesos with accident burial assistance. Okay? And also, one of the highlighted feature of the care card is the inclusion of our APE Basic 5 or flu vaccination. So APE Basic 5 includes the usual Basic 5 component, physical exam, CBC, urinalysis, fecalysis, and chest x-ray. So usually, the Basic 5 or flu vaccine ranges from 800 to 850 per albumate. So, konti na lang dadagdag natin, will reach 999 pesos. So, this is beneficial or who will benefit from this care card price at 999? So, of course, employees of SGB are covered by your HMO or insurance provider. I believe it's PhilCare. So, this is something that you can purchase for your dependents, just in case you have a limited number of dependents to be enrolled. So this is eligible for 0 to 80 years old. So if you have senior parents, no, usually HMO covers up to 65 only. So this can be offered to them. So the peace of mind that this can offer to your parents, no, for at least the unlimited consultation, the flu vaccination, and the Basic 5. Okay, so how to avail of the care card? Just simple 5 steps. No? It's a care card kit. You just need to scan the QR code and register who will be the bearer of the care card. No? Input all the necessary information in the app, and then you will receive a confirmation via email or via SMS. Then after that, you can now access and enjoy the perks of the care card. So as mentioned earlier, you can enjoy and utilize the care card to any of our Helpway facilities. Again, we're 16 branches as of today of Helpway multi-specialty centers. So majority of our clinics are present here in Metro Manila, but we have presence also in Vismin, Cebu, Davao, CDO, and outside Metro Manila we have the district IMUS. For the general hospitals, we have San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, the Helpway Qualimed Santa Rosa, the Helpway Qualimed Iloilo, the Helpway Helpway Daniel Mercado in Tanawan, Batangas. And of course, where Dr. Hoson came from, our Helpway Cancer Care Hospital. And latest additional member of the team is the FEU and RMF Hospital. Okay, I believe that's all for the care card. And we're now opening the floor for any questions. Do we have a question from the virtual or online attendees? None. Okay, so anyway, if you have questions, feel free to send me a message or email at biray.em@helpway.com.ph. Thank you, everyone.
Napabili ako guys ng shades. Kulay pink kasi. Oh, cute. Ito yun na yun. Yan. Yan yung napili ko. Sa halagang 428 pesos lang. Oh, naka-sale sila ngayon guys. We have lots of magagandang shades here. Ayan. Ayan. Dito lang yan sa Sari Studios. Yay! Thank you. So, andito naman kami sa bagong restaurant. Deserve na deserve kung kumain dito after ng event. There you go. You can scan QR code to their menu. So cute. Ang ganda nung ano nila, oh. Yan. Pang maramihan. Pang family gatherings. Yan. Thai restaurant naman kami ngayon ni Daddy. So, yan na. Saserve niya yung food namin. Oh. Thai milk tea. Thank you. Thai milk tea ang order ko. And sa kanya naman iced tea. Lemon iced tea. Oh. Let's take a picture. Nandito ako ngayon sa Thai restaurant. Look at that. May pagkamahal siya guys. Yung kanilang mga pagkain. Nasa 600. Pataas. Oh my God. Meron din namang 400. Pinakamura nila 300 plus. Pero the rest, mahal na. Pero okay lang. Gandang experience namin ni Daddy. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung kanilang washroom. There. Diba? Lawak. Laki. Laki. Diba? Malaki. Kasi naman sa labas, paglabas mo ng CR. Oh, ito yung labas. Ayan naman. Cute. What that? Galing. Na may mga design. Oh. Thai restaurant siya, guys. Ang ganda ng place. Ang laki. Lawak. Yan naman. Super lawak niya. Na quiet place lang siya.
Yun lang order mo. Di ba may chicken?
Tsaka may chicken pa.
Magkano ito?
390.
Serving spoon.
Okay. Thank you. Ito yung fresh spring rolls nila. Dami dito. Fresh spring rolls. Tada! 8 pieces siya. Ito yung curry nila, no? Ito yun, yung chicken curry nila.
Yan ba yan?
Oo.
Ayun sa yung order.
Chicken thai naman yun. Yung fillet. Yan yung sayo. Yan yung sayo. Oo. So, ito yung restaurant na yun, guys. Sham Thai. Thai Barbecue and Sport Bar. Oo nga eh. Kakaiba yung chicken sa Thai nila. May ano siya talaga, charcoal. Ooh, I love it. Grabe. Kasi ito yung sauce niya. Peanut sauce.
The next day.
Punta ako dyan. Hello! So, this is the next day of my vlog. Bookstore naman tayo for today's video, guys. Dito sa Estancia Mall, kung saan dito ako nag-work. So, supportahan natin yung pinsan ko na meron siyang sariling book, which is yung Guess How Mario. Ito, yeah. Ito yung libro niya. Tada! Love it! Yan. Diba? Yan. So, may booth dito sa lower ground event. How to write a book and publish it. O, diba? So, daming iba't ibang merch dito. Ito yung cousin ko. Ito yung author. Siya yun. Si Kay. And of course, kasama ko si Mom. Oh, diba? Ganda. Love it.
Isa pinto ng copyright, no? Hindi ba siya yung pangalan na yan? Alam mo?
So, kaya nga nila tinutulungan.
Kasi nag-video ko, yun ako. Wala na ako CCTV. Yung pangalan niya, akala namin yung pangalan niya. Artist to.
Hi, Kay! Siya po yung author ng Guess Mario. Book.
Kailangan namin si Conrad. Balik na your property.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you po in
Your
my next vlog.
copyright.
Bye!
Your copyright. Lahat tayo sa